Welcome to View Island, a wildlife heaven for you to enjoy. Now let me read you. View Island is a special heaven because it's managed carefully to provide homes for lots of different wildlife. It is open to public. Take a walk around and discover the amazing range of animals and plants that can exist in the heart of our busy urban town. This island was once close to public access. When it was used commercially as a boat yard, it became littered with old machinery and junk. It has now been cleaned up and transformed into a place to benefit everyone in the community. It is hoped that threatened species such as pipistrelle and the Benton bats, water voles and otters will find new homes here too. We plan to introduce new features to the island to provide a habitat for still water species. A pond has been created, providing an opportunity for wildlife study. So this is View Island in Caversham, Reading. This is the bridge. There's an ant, ants from Lord of the Rings. This is only the head, by the way. It's only the head, not all the body. And you have to say hi when you walk around, when you enter the island. This is the entrance. This is the river. And that's the lake. And here is the View Island. And this is the information that I have written. Let's have a quick walk. But nothing to see. It will take very long. And I don't think anyone will be interested. And if anyone will watch this, listen this. So what am I doing here? I don't know. Just having a walk, having fun, talking to myself. Alright, let's say bye to the ant and get off the island. Bye!